Hi, I'm Brigadier General Sean Tyler, Commander, Defense Logistics Agency Aviation in Richmond, Virginia. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the role reverse engineering plays in maintaining a healthy supply chain. The benefits include increasing competition within the industrial private sector, developing new sources, expanding small business sourcing, and enabling military organic industrial-based production. Reverse engineering is key to improving warfighter readiness. Enjoy the program.
Millions of parts, big, small, old, and new. They break, they get damaged, they wear out, and they are indispensable to operational success. Let us be your expert guide to reverse engineering these items, because perfect replacement parts are the only option for our frontline warfighters. The Defense Logistics Agency's Aviation Major Subordinate Command is home to everything that flies. And that means acquiring millions of hard-to-procure parts to keep your fleets ready. This is where reverse engineering comes in. Reverse engineering is the process of replicating a design by physically examining and measuring an existing item to develop the technical data necessary to reproduce the item functionally and dimensionally.
So in essence, it's extracting information about the item from the item itself.
The aviation team is a leader in setting the government standards for reverse engineering and determining when and when not to pursue a part for replication.
When it comes to reverse engineering, we consider whether or not we can actually increase the competitive nature of the item by creating a government-owned data rights package.
We're typically seeking items that are identified as overpriced or have diminishing sources, leaving the supply chain for that item in jeopardy.
Once RE is found to be appropriate, the data production falls into one of three categories. 1. Industry-focused. The part is reverse engineered by industry. A company funds the RE process. The company owns the part data, and the company becomes the supplier of the final manufactured part. 2. DLA-funded industry work. Here, DLA funds the work performed by industry to create the part's data. DLA retains ownership of the data, enabling DLA to competitively solicit the part production. 3. DLA internal RE. The DLA aviation team creates the part data, retains the data rights, which enables the competitive solicitation of the part.
We reverse engineer parts as simple as a washer to more complex assemblies, and the different parts require different amounts of time, anywhere from 3 months to several years to complete, and that includes both the time to analyze the part itself as well as any necessary coordination with the engineering authorities.
The key steps in reverse engineering explain how the essential data is generated. First, DLA collaborates with the engineering support activity to identify candidates for reverse engineering. Second, DLA creates 3D models using state-of-the-art CAD systems, along with additional metrology software. Third, dimensional analysis. Our equipment works in the digital and binary spectrum world, providing the government with the most dependable and repeatable data.
In our lab, we have several pieces of precise equipment to get the job done, such as laser and probe scanning arms, table coordinate measuring machines, metallic material analyzers, optical comparators, hardness testers, manual and electronic gauges, all there to help us collect the data that we need.
Step 4. Material analysis. What are the material properties? How hard is it? How rough is it? What is it coated with? Fifth, final level 3 product drawings, capturing all the details necessary for manufacturers to replicate the item.
The DLA Aviation reverse engineering team has been here in existence for over 10 years, and over that time they have created hundreds of both simple and complex tech data packages.
The services are very happy to actually be able to see that we have this program in-house. It allows them to have another additional tool to resolve some of these issues they are having with their supply chains. And of course, we are the ones that can actually provide that solution.
DLA Aviation's reverse engineering team. Proven, experienced, cost and time-effective solutions. We make the unattainable replaceable.